welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. And before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my god. Today is for me it's a really special day because after 1.5 months I'm going to ice skating rink to my training, and oh my god, I miss it so much. Yeah, like it's so strange not to skate every just single day. Yeah, that's why I'm so excited, so happy, and yeah, and you're going with me, of course. And you know, I think I haven't filmed such a vlog, like not from trips or something like this. So less, I want more. I hope you too, because I really don't understand why, but there's a lot of trips now in my life, and I just want to my simple life, because I always think like, oh my god, I'm going to a trip, yeah, I will film a vlog from my trip and that's it. And for what I will film like my simple life, but that's it. I love my simple life and without any trips. So today is vlog like this. Okay, I need to pack my bag for my training because I don't have it. And then I don't even know what we're going to do because I have no plans. Truly no plans. But now I want to eat. I want to have breakfast. That's important. And I really want to read a book today. Probably, I don't know about full book, but I really want to end it like in a few future days, because there's a lot of books I want to read, but I have like this time when no reading, no, I don't know what's happening, but it's happened. So we're going back. Oh my god. I also came back from St. Petersburg just a few days ago, so there is still my suitcase, my backpack, but tomorrow I'm going to my country house, so yeah, my backpack will go with me. So yeah. By the way, it's really warm outside. It's like 30 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I don't know how I will like live this. As I said, like a few minutes later, it's really warm here, but tomorrow when I'm going to my country house, it's not going to be like this warm. It's gonna be a little colder, and I have a swimming pool in my country house, and I hope to get like at least a little sun-based or something like this, but I'm not sure because the weather will be a little colder, and it will be not as good as it's now. So okay, I hope it will be fine, and I'll have my summer days, my hot summer days. I had my breakfast, and now let's pack my bag, my ice skating bag. I don't even remember what is inside of it because I haven't taken it like for half a month. Oh my god. I don't know where my old protectors are. I found it. Okay, but for the first, let's start with what is inside of it. Steel. Laying here. Trash. Okay, it's from my eye show. Yeah, we had an eye show in June. Start of the June. At eye show, but I haven't felt anything. So yeah. No, I have videos actually on... No, I haven't posted on my Instagram. Probably I will post it on my Instagram, yeah. But I don't kinda know. I will. As I remember, oh, I post something on my TikTok. Yeah. Yeah. I put everything out. It's just like cloth for my blades, and you should like wipe your blades for them to have for them to be in good condition. Yeah. By the way, I've lost one of my things. I lost both of them. Yay! Seriously, I lost both of them? Oh no. Only yeah. It's... I don't even know how to... Honestly, I don't know how to name this, but you just put it inside of your skate and just helping them to be in good condition again. But inside, like in your boot. Yeah. That's hard. That's also hard. But I lost the other one. There's only one. It should be like paired. That's a problem. Okay, we continue to watch what is inside of my... Let's get in my... Okay, clothes for my blades and jumpers. And then it can be extra pair of my socks. The most important thing, skates, of course. I have the 2 pair of blade protectors. It's like this gourd. They look great. I love them. And this. Now let me tell you the difference. The difference is that you use these things for like to walk and other stuff. They're like plastic. And after skating session, wherein you wipe your blades, you put it on this. They're fluffy. And they're helping your skates to, your blades to dry. God, I'm going to look for these things. It can't just be like lost. I don't trust in this. I don't believe in it. I don't. And the last thing, but not the least, it's protectors. This is like butt protectors for falling off. They look like shorts, but it has like this thing. And I have also knee pads. The same things, but for my knees. Because if I had like this, my knees will be all blue with bruises, and I don't want this. So I also have water, of course, and my plushie with me. My plushie, it's napkin holder. I will show you. I have this kitty, Hello Kitty, bunny Hello Kitty. I don't know what his actual name is, but for me, just she's so cute. So this is all what I have inside. Okay, let me put it on inside and I'll back to you. Yay, going to my training. tomorrow I'm going back to my country house and go spend my weekends with my family. But this day was really great. My training session, God, I think it'll be worse. So yeah, I even do everything what I should. So yeah, I'm happy. Now I just want to read a book, but now I want to make like my favorite braids. I already told you like my favorite way to curl my hairs. Headless way in this video, I think. Yeah, so I will do this and read and go sleep.